wish you all a very happy and prosperous Vishu. So may this year be a wonderful and splendid year ahead for all of you. Now this video is all about my Vishu celebration. So how we usually celebrate is in Kerala, Vishu is considered as the new year or beginning of a new calendar year. So this is one of the most auspicious and prosperous festivals that we celebrate. We wake up early in the morning and we worship Lord Krishna, and yeah, so let's get into the video without much delay. And from the bottom of my heart, I wish each one of you a very happy Vishu and a prosperous year ahead. So if you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe. And this is Ashes Heaven. So yeah, without much late, let's go. Okay guys, so let's start arranging the offerings to Lord Krishna. So this is usually done the night before the festival. So then during the night, what we need to do is we need to pick idol. If idol is not available, you can also take a photo frame of Lord Krishna, and then you have to put it like this. Then you have to take all the lamps and all the puja things, that all the things that you usually use for puja. You have to take everything, and then the main attraction here is you'll have to arrange the offerings. So in this we include fruits, vegetables, pulses, grains, whatever you wish like, or whatever that is, anything that is available at your home, you can put that and place in front of Lord Krishna. So we also put so in this I have got seasonal fruits, and so I put grapes, green grapes and black grapes, bananas, then pineapple, mango. So mango is easily available now, so both ripe and raw I took both. And then I took a coconut. Some people break the coconut and some people put the whole coconut like this. So I have put the whole coconut. Then I've put some rice below those fruits. Then if needed, you can also include some vegetables also. So this is what I have put on the thali. And then I took what else I took? Yeah, I have arranged all the puja things. Then you need to arrange a new dress. So this is a traditional Kerala set sari. So that is a new one, that a new dress should be put on the table. So I've put that. And then this is the golden shower flower, which is which will be available only during the April. So there is some mythology also behind this. So some story also lies behind this flower. So this is the main attraction. This flower we usually use for Vishu. So we have to put also that flowers. And then I'm putting on some roses as a part of this decoration. Then this any holy book. So and then you have to arrange the diyas, and then you have to mandatorily put gold or silver. So I'm putting on a chain, then garland, then some money, then coins. You can include coins as well. Then I'm putting some rice in a bowl. And what else guys? So I'm decorating everything with flowers. So then yeah, that is all much we have to arrange it at the night. And once it is done, so this is already done guys. So everything that is available, you have to put everything very neatly. And yeah, so this is all is done. And the next day morning you will wake up and you will directly see this Lord Krishna and these offerings and get blessings from Lord Krishna, and we will start a very new year. So this is usually, so I'll just show you in detail. So I have put money, then a new sari, I have put traditional sari, then rice, then that is the holy book, then gold. So I have put chain here, gold chain, then fruits, flowers, golden shower flower is must, then vegetables, then a mirror. Yeah, you have to include a mirror in that. Then coconut, then that gold border material, then garland, then tulsi leaves as well I have included, then the lamp, then incense sticks, obviously, flowers, decoration ideas as you wish. And I have decorated in my way. So I have also put some flowers on the two sides of the idol.